So I figured it'd be easier to show what I'm doing versus trying to explain it in text. So I'm working with C#, and I've been working with ArcGIS because I'm interested in working for Esri in the future because of an event I saw Out in Tech around this time last year. So I wanted to do something to show like my skill with what they need there. So for this, this is with WPF, so all that means is this isn't something that's posted online. This would instead be something you would download and you'd open the program in your computer. So as you can see here, this is a separate program versus it being in the browser here. Now, I figured one way to do this would go ahead and take the LA animal shelters, their stats, and put it in a map setup. So it's a little bit easier to see the different rates at different shelters. So the basic version I have right now is you start off with the dogs, cats, and kittens. If you're wondering why there's no puppies, it's because they don't have it split into puppies here. So from their data, it's just cats, kittens, dogs. So that's why that's set up here. So if you want the cats and kittens, this will have the save rate for them. If you want dogs and kittens, you get that. If you just want one, that also works. So it's flexible with that. And if you click any of the shelters, it will give a deeper breakdown. So for this, let me make this bigger. So for this, we only selected dogs. That's why we only see dog and the dog counts right here. This logic down here and the save rate, I'm still working on this. That's why it's not set up with that logic of just showing the dogs down here when you click the dogs. So again, this is just the first version. I've only really worked on it for 2 days so far, so it's still in the baby stage. So, and then if we have cats and kittens, let's go click on this again. And you can see it now pop up here, so you get to see how many animals were there, the saved rates. What I'm planning on doing as well is this information by itself is very useful. You want to know the save rates for the animals and then figure out where they went to figure out how this worked, what was working. Is this something maybe they're missing? Like, is one shelter doing well with one thing, another one isn't? And then the non-live rates will be important too, to know, like, did the one shelter have a lot of euthanasia? Did they have a lot of died in care? A lot of missing, stolen? Just for things that might be helpful at a glance. Foster is also important too, because that's a key part of helping, like, the save rates, and to be curious to see if the high rates of fostering lead to greater save rates as well. In the future version, this is just for 1 month. It would be cool to add each month and to be able to go from month to month and see the changes. So yeah, that's what I'm working on right now, and thanks for listening.